Hey friends, welcome back to Beyond Boundaries. If you're in your 60s or getting close, this one's for you. Today, we're talking about 5 money mistakes you absolutely want to avoid in your 60s. Because at this stage, it's not just about earning money, it's about protecting it, multiplying it, and living with peace of mind. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a free resource, my Late Bloomer Financial Starter Guide, to help you build confidence in your money moves, even if you're starting late. Mistake number 1, living without a spending plan. Most people in their 60s think budgeting is for the young, but here's the truth. It's even more important now, because you're likely shifting from earning to withdrawing. Example. In the book, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, she talks about how every dollar should reflect your values, not just your needs. Example. My aunt, Margaret, used to say, "I worked 40 years for this. Now I deserve to enjoy it." But after a few carefree years of spending, she realized her savings were disappearing faster than expected. Tip. Create a living budget, not a restrictive one that covers your lifestyle and keeps you secure for at least 25-30 years. Mistake number 2, ignoring health costs. Healthcare isn't just a cost, it's a lifestyle factor. Medical bills can quietly eat away at your retirement nest egg. Example. In The Retirement Maze by Rob Pascal, retirees who planned for wellness costs were found to enjoy more financial freedom later. Tip. Consider long-term health coverage or start a small health reserve fund. Prevention is cheaper than cure. Invest in wellness early. Mistake number 3, being too conservative with investments. Yes, safety matters, but holding too much cash means your money loses value over time. Inflation is silent but powerful. Example. A retired teacher I met in Frankfurt had all her savings in a low-interest account. 10 years later, her buying power dropped by almost 25%. Tip. Diversify. Think dividend-paying stocks, index funds, or even micro-real estate investments that generate steady income. Mistake number 4, supporting adult children financially without boundaries. This one's tough, because love and money often mix uneasily. Many parents drain their retirement helping adult children. Example. In Boundaries by Dr. Henry Cloud, he reminds us that love without limits can lead to burnout. Tip. It's okay to help, but not at the cost of your own peace or independence. Offer guidance, not unlimited funds. Mistake number 5, delaying joy and purpose. Money isn't just numbers, it's emotional energy. Waiting until later to travel, start a passion project, or give back. Don't. Example. One couple I met in Nairobi sold their home at 65, downsized and started volunteering. They said it gave them more happiness than any investment ever had. Tip. Spend intentionally on experiences and purpose. That's where true wealth lives. So if you're in your 60s or even late 50s, remember, your financial journey isn't over. It's just evolving. You can always course correct, protect what you've earned, and create the life you've dreamed of. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone planning for retirement. I'm your growth guide, and this is Beyond Boundaries, where we grow wiser, bolder, and freer, one life stage at a time. See you on Wednesday.